In this short lesson, we'll discuss an important subtlety regarding the capitalization of costs related to fixed assets. In most cases, when companies undertake significant projects in order to build a plant or implement a new ERP system, they use financing. Draining the firm's working capital can potentially distress the business, and therefore, it is preferable to finance the venture with external capital. That's great. But here arises an important question. How do we treat interest expenses related to fixed asset financing? According to the IFRS and US GAAP, we can capitalize such interest expenses, which are related to financing obtained in order to bring the asset to its final condition. These are costs the company sustains in order to create or improve the asset, and should therefore be considered along with the rest of the expenses sustained for the asset. Interest expenses that have been capitalized are not seen in the firm's interest expenses, but are depreciated over multiple years with the rest of the costs sustained for the asset. So, if a company borrowed from a bank $100 million in order to build a new production plant, and while constructing the plant, it sustained an additional $25 million for interest expenses, then once the production plant has been completed, the firm will be able to capitalize $125 million on its balance sheet. Let's suppose the plant would have a useful life of 10 years. In that case, the company will start depreciating $12.5 million per year. Interest expenses are depreciated with the rest of the costs sustained for the construction of the plant. That's an important subtlety we would like you to remember. Thanks for watching.